In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Bluehost domain. Whether you're juggling a collection of domains or just looking to tidy up your internet presence, knowing how to remove a domain effectively is invaluable. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to begin by logging into your Bluehost account. This is your starting point to access all the tools and settings you need. If you have multiple accounts, or you've been away for a while, it's a good reminder to have your login credentials on hand. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the dashboard, which acts as the central hub for managing every aspect of your hosting service with Bluehost. Now that you've made it to the dashboard, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Domains. Clicking on this opens up a new world where you can manage all your domains. Here, you'll be presented with a list of every domain associated with your account. Next, you want to locate the specific domain you intend to delete. Depending on how you've set things up, this domain might be marked as an add-on or a parked domain. An add-on domain allows you to manage multiple domains from a single account, while a parked domain is typically a placeholder for a domain that isn't currently active. Take your time to ensure you're targeting the correct domain to avoid any accidental deletions. Once you've identified your domain, it's time to take action. Scroll down a bit and keep an eye out for the option that says Remove Domain. At this point, it's crucial to remember that removing a domain is a permanent action. This means all associated data or content tied to that domain will be permanently deleted, so make sure you've backed up any necessary information or files that you might need later on. By clicking on Remove Domain, you're prompted to confirm your decision. This step is all about double-checking that you're deleting the right domain. It's your last chance to ensure you haven't made any errors. Once you're absolutely certain, go ahead and confirm the removal. And there you have it. Your domain is successfully deleted from your Bluehost account. It's a straightforward process, but one that requires careful attention to detail. By following these steps, you've effectively managed your domain portfolio, keeping it updated with only what is necessary. As always, feel free to explore other options within the domain menu, whether you're looking to purchase new domains or further refine your digital footprint. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and guides that help simplify your online journey.